Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you 10 ways how to have a happy marriage. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. We hope that we can help you on your way to become more confident and would love to see your subscription to our channel. So let's get it started. 10 tips for happy marriages. 6. Show love for each other physically. Feel free to interact with each other in this way both inside and outside of the home, that both husband and wife are okay with public shows of affection. Physical displays of affection are vital to a marriage's health. Make an effort to maintain physical contact throughout the day. Hugs and kisses should be given frequently, ideally at the time of departure and just before bed. 7. Agree on how to raise your children. If you have kids, decide in advance how you're going to parent them. The kids won't be able to pit one of you against the other in this way. Never make judgments about discipline without first discussing them with your family. In order to prevent your kids from setting their parents against one another, you should maintain a united front. It's been claimed that loving your children's mother or father is the finest way to love them. Your children will feel more secure in their families if you set the example that your spouse is the most important person in your life. Your partner will value your effort as well. 8. Say, "I love you," every day. Unexpected things can happen in life, and you never know which day might be your last. Always express your affection for your spouse on a daily basis to avoid regrets in the event that something unfortunate occurs. If speaking these things out loud is difficult, and for some individuals, it is, a handwritten note, card, or text also works nicely. I've heard of folks who believe their spouse loved them because they always lowered the toilet seat after using it. 9. Don't ever go to bed mad. Always discuss issues before going to bed so that both of you may have a restful night's sleep. There is a proverb that states that anger should never be allowed to fade away. In particular, this applies to married couples. If you end the day feeling bitter and angry, chances are good that you'll feel the same way when the day begins. 10. Allow your spouse to change and grow. After being married, a couple might live together for the following 40 to 50 years. It is absurd to think that a partner will remain the same over that time. Ideally, they will develop into more intriguing, loving, and compassionate people. If they continue their education, they will probably even be smarter. A happier spouse and a happier marriage result from letting each partner develop to their full potential and utilize all of their gifts. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.